to exclusive.com.
That is why Lagos are 10,000. That is the problem. Nigeria, Bena, una persona. If any man no go to Nabamanya Milio. All over the country, people them are suffering. All over Nigeria, people them are dying. Ayana wada kaina wada. These people who they see us like mumu. Who be the mumu? Na me and be na you. What we need in a God do intervention. Nigeria person now, brother sister person now.